So recently I pulled up to Lexington Betty's Smokehouse in the Pullman area of Chicago. This restaurant is owned by Dominique Leach, who is a pitmaster. The restaurant was airy and clean, and there's the pitmaster herself. Didn't talk to her because she was busy eating, and we don't bother people while they're eating. After a little while, my order was ready, so let's get home and check it out. These are the smoked wings. Also, I had the rib tips and fries. My husband had the rib tips and chicken combo, as you see here. Everything looks delicious. Next, we have the mac and cheese topped with brisket and green onions. All right, guys, let's go ahead and give our food a try. First, I had the smoked wings. The flavor on these wings was awesome. It was very good, very tasty. Could it have been smoked a little more? Sure, it could have to give it that real tender taste, but they were very good. Next, we have the rib tips. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite, and wow, yes, they were that good. They were tender. They were awesome. You could eat the grizzle right off of it. Yes, I do eat grizzle. Next, we're going to give this brisket top mac and cheese a try. On first look, it was kind of dry looking, but when I actually tasted it, it was very delicious. It was very good. Could have been a little bit more creamy, sure, but that taste was on point. All in all, I give it a chef's kiss, and yes, I will be back.